Hello friends, Force Dark is a feature in Android to enable dark mode for the apps that lack dark mode support. This feature checks each part of your app that is usually bright and changes its look to dark before it shows up on your screen. Here is how to enable or turn on Override Force Dark on Android. Tap on Settings. Tap on About Device. In some devices, you may find About Phone. Tap on that. Tap on Version. Tap on version number or build number, whichever is showing. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I have already enabled developer mode, so this message is showing. Now developer mode is enabled for you. Go to settings home page. Type dark in search box and find Override Force Dark. Tap on this option. Turn on the toggle switch for Override Force Dark. To disable it, turn off the option. You can also go to Settings Home and tap on Additional Settings. Tap on Developer Options. Find Override Force Dark. This is here. Turn on this option. Thanks friends for watching the video.